All right, welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to make money with AI software in 2022. We've only got about 8 more weeks of 2022, but of course this is going to apply going into January, February, March of 2023, and I believe that this is going to continue to be the way that you can actually start making money with a side hustle using artificial intelligence software. So I want to show you I have so many ideas. I'm going to continue to just keep making these videos. All I had to do was just think of this, like how to make money with AI software, and then a bunch of different ideas come to mind, and without even brainstorming or going and looking at other people of their YouTube channels or doing keyword research or anything like that, guys. I just been doing this for over 10 years online, and there is so many things that you can do. And these tools that we have at our disposal today in 2022 are just insane. It's unbelievable that just a few years ago we couldn't even create. We were trying to find ways to shortcut the strategies and the ability to create content quickly. And then all of a sudden, right now, we have these insane softwares that can create full-blown, like 1,000-word articles, 2,000-3,000 word articles, all kinds of good stuff. We can automatically create YouTube scripts. We can automatically create videos with artificial intelligence. There's so many things. We can write books with artificial intelligence. A lot of things we can do, okay? So I'm going to be showing you this tutorial on what we can do with using this unique tool that has quickly becoming my favorite tool to use, my favorite AI content generator. I want to go in real quick to one of my emails that I got from them. And this is from one of the owners at ScaleNut. And ScaleNut is an artificial intelligence content creator, and it's similar to like Jasper, formerly known as Jarvis, formerly known as Conversion AI, and then there's Copy AI and many other AI content generation platforms that you can use. I have subscriptions to most of the most popular ones, right? But ScaleNut does some really unique stuff. Not only does it have some of the highest quality output, but it has the fastest way and easiest way to organize the content and all the different tools that they offer. But right here, we can look in here at the email, and they're offering 65% off, over $500 off on some of their annual deals, right? So 3 reasons why you should sign up. Cruise mode, sail swiftly through the content tides. Now go watch my video from yesterday, from October 27th, right? The one right before this video you're watching now. And I show you cruise control or cruise mode in ScaleNut and how you can create like a 3,500 word blog post in a matter of minutes. It's insane. There's no other content software like this out there. AI copywriter, a click in time saves 9 minutes, and then app integrations. They actually integrate with WordPress. I haven't even done that yet because I like to work inside of their tool, and so you can get all the features and then just copy paste into WordPress. But you can use the integration into WordPress. It also integrates with SEMrush. You can do keyword research and everything inside of the software, and it integrates with Copyscape. So it's integrating with some really industry leading tools right there. But check this out, guys. So 40% off monthly plans, and they weren't offering this before. So if you don't quite have a few $100s to spend on the annual plan, which I do recommend, and I'll show you that in a second, still getting the 40% off of the monthly plan to just go test drive this for like $20 or something like that for unlimited content is just insane, the pricing, right? So they were running this at 60% off for quite some time. But right now, while it's close to Black Friday, I think they're doing an end of year special right now, and they upped this to 65% off. We can go and look at their pricing, come down here. Now, under the build monthly plan, you can literally get this unlimited credits right here. You're going to get 40% off that, or you're going to get 40% off of the 29. You just need to use the coupon code, right? So you can actually get in. You're going to get like $11 off this right here, this $29. So you're going to get this for like $18 on the individual plan, okay? And then this $80 plan, you're going to get $31 off of this, okay? So you're going to be able to get this for under $50. You're going to get the growth plan, unlimited, and you're going to lock in with that, right? As long as you don't cancel your plan, I believe you're going to be locked in with that pricing structure. But if you want to get the best deal, you can get the growth plan or the individual plan for just $10 a month or even $28 a month. I've had several people sign up for this plan right here. This is the plan that I'm on, $28 a month. So you take that 28 times 12, you're literally paying $336 for the entire year for unlimited AI words. Okay, so I strongly recommend, while this deal is available 65% off the regular plan, the regular annual plan right here. Okay, let's jump in now and show you how you can use this software to go out and start making money. How do we use artificial intelligence software, ScaleNet, to go out and make money? Okay, so I'm going to go and find a YouTube channel right over here. We're on ALX. It has 4.21 million subscribers. They know a thing or two about growing a YouTube channel, and they're really just creating just classic YouTube videos with hiring a professional voiceover, coming up with catchy descriptions and headings and titles, and then just using stock footage. Look at this. They're just using stock footage with a voiceover and telling a story with a written script. We can use the script writing possibly costs the most, or it's going to cost the same with the video editing. And there's tools we can use to do the video editing and to create the video and all that kind of good stuff. But right now we're going to focus on, well, how do they come up with a script? Okay, so we're going to come over here. I'm going to go to the trending and click on trending over here. I'm going to use vidIQ. It's going to tell me what's currently trending right now. And when we look at something that's their third most trending right now, and it was made over 4 months ago, this means that this is a very, it's just a very popular video. Okay, so I'm going to open that video up, and it's 15 habits that make you smarter every day. Okay, so then what you're going to do is you're going to copy this title over here, right? And we could change this just slightly with a word or something like that to make it our own and make it unique. But in this example, I'm just going to leave it the way it is. Now we're going to go back in to ScaleNet, right? Now I'm in my ScaleNet account, my ScaleNet dashboard. And what we can do is go over to the templates section over here and look at, they have so many different things that we can do. Every single one of these templates could be like a Fiverr gig, or it could be a way for you to go out and make money. You can write emails in here. You can write articles. You can write video scripts. You can do social media posts. You can do advertising, copywriting. Everything you can think of, you can do inside of ScaleNet. We're going to cruise over here and we're going to go over to the video script outline. So I'm going to go to the video script outline. I'm going to paste this in right over here, and I'm going to say generate right here. And it's going to go out there, and you can just see it's lightning fast. I didn't pause the video or anything like that. I mean, literally within seconds, it came up with a bunch of different topics that we can include. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this to the editor right over here, and we've got 8 of them, but we need 15. We could even add 20 if we wanted to. I'm going to go ahead and just kind of spot check to make sure that these are not the same and they don't look like they're the same. So I'm going to add this to the editor as well. And then I'm going to go over here and change these now, right? Oh, that's 7. We've got 9. And then we'll just put 1 in there, and then we'll make it unique. We'll do 16 instead of 15, okay? So then what we do is I'm going to come back over here and push return, and I'm going to paste this up here, and now I'm going to make this 16. So 16 habits that make you smarter every day. So we have all of our 16 topics right here. This just saved us 15-20 minutes of going out and just searching for this, or going to Google, typing this in, and then having to copy and paste and all that. So the tool already does all that work for us, okay? So then what we're going to do is now I'm going to just make a return space between all of these, like so. And then what we're going to do, each one of these can end up being an H2, but it's just a script for now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight this, and then I'm going to use the AI tools over here. I'm going to say write about this content right here. And then I'm going to just do this for all of these real quick. And then another thing that we can do is we can go into the AI templates over here, and I'm going to select introduction paragraph. I'm going to grab our headline. I'm going to throw that in right there and say generate. And then you'll see it's going to generate down here. We have right here in this article. So you're just going to change this right here. You can change it right inside the dashboard right here. In this video, we list 16 habits that will help you become smarter every day, from studying to working out, all kinds of eating right. Really, really good stuff. So then now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this. You can just see how easy and brilliant the software is. Now we have our introduction to our video that we're going to create. Okay, so then now we're just going to keep on cruising and using the AI tool to write about this topic. And I'm going to show you when we're done with this, we'll see how long it ends up being. And then if we need to go in and write more, we can. So you can see I'm literally just navigating through this, letting the content, letting the AI do all the work for us. I'm going to go ahead and highlight this. I'm going to move through. You can see just live doing this. I'm going to go ahead and pause. This will take about another 1 minute to do, and I'll be right back. Okay, perfect. So we're back. We have over 900 words. We could go in and actually just put our cursor next here to some of the ones that don't have a lot of content and just say write. And we can go and touch up some of these. It's going to write a little bit more content for us. We'll come back up through here. I'll just go with one right here. And I want to get to about 1,000 words. Okay, so we have over 1,000 words. We have our 16 topics. We have our intro. We have our title right here. And then I'm going to come down and I'm going to grab our headline over here. And then I'm going to go to our template tool. And I'm going to type in conclusion paragraph. And we have that in right there. I'm going to throw that in again. And I'm going to generate this as well. So now we're going to have a conclusion. I'm going to copy that, throw it down at the bottom. And as you can see, we are at 1,065 words, which is going to end up being about a 6 or 7 minute video. We would probably want to get this to about 1,200 words to be right at the 8-minute mark, but we can easily do that, okay? So now we have this script, all right? You can take this script, we can go over to Fiverr and type in voiceover and look at all these voiceover artists. We have about 26,000 voiceover artists that we can go and find the right fit, go and test some out. We have male, female, we have younger people, we have just any kind of ethnicity, any kind of accent that you're looking for. So many different people that are making professional voiceovers for you, and you can go and hire them to do the voiceover. So now you have the script completely done for you with this software. Instead of spending 30 to 50 bucks on someone else doing the script for you, you save that much money immediately. So you can go out here and you can start building a channel. I mean, imagine if you could do even just 1/16 or 1/32 or 1/64 of what Alux has done with 4 million subscribers. You can make some really good money building a YouTube channel. The next step, obviously, you have the script, you have the voiceover, then you would go and you would find a video editor over here, a YouTube video editor, all kinds of stuff. We have 46,000 people doing video editing on Fiverr as well. Or we could go and use software and do it ourselves. So this is a simple way that you can go out and use artificial intelligence to go out and write these amazing scripts right here very, very quickly within 10 minutes or less. And you don't have to wait days for your script. You can move on and you can actually do the rest of this yourself, or you can go and outsource on Fiverr. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to go and pick up ScaleNut right now, running a 65% off limited time annual pricing, $28 a month, unlimited AI words. This is one of the best AI, if not the best AI writing tools that I've ever used, and I've used a lot of them. So go and click, the link will be in the description if you want to go check it out. And thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and so you can get my next video. See you next time.